What's up, truck lovers? Today we're checking out a massive upgrade for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra owners, the Tesla-style 15.6-inch 2K IPS touchscreen stereo replacement. If you own a 2014 to 2019 model and want to give your interior a futuristic makeover, this head unit is going to blow your mind. Let's dive into its key features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth the investment. 15.6-inch 2K IPS touchscreen. We're talking about a huge vertical Tesla-style display, sharper and brighter than standard OEM screens. It completely changes the look of your truck's dash. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're team iPhone or Android, you can seamlessly integrate your phone for navigation, calls, messages, and music. Built-in GPS navigation. No phone? No problem. It comes with onboard GPS navigation so you can find your way even without mobile data. Multimedia entertainment hub. Stream music, play videos, and access apps. It's more than just a radio, it's a full media center. OEM fitment with modern upgrade. Designed specifically for Silverado and Sierra models, it replaces the factory 8-inch unit while keeping that sleek factory look. Huge visual upgrade, that 15.6-inch Tesla-style screen instantly makes your interior look modern and premium. Seamless connectivity, CarPlay and Android Auto make it easy to stay connected hands-free while driving. All-in-one system, navigation, media, Bluetooth, apps, everything is integrated into one massive touchscreen. Installation can be tricky, because of the size and wiring, some truck owners might need professional installation. Price tag, it's definitely a premium upgrade, so you'll need to be ready to invest. At the end of the day, this 15.6-inch Tesla-style radio is perfect if you want to modernize your Silverado or Sierra. It's bold, functional, and packs in all the latest features, from CarPlay to GPS to full multimedia. If you're ready to give your truck a futuristic cockpit, I'll drop the Amazon link below so you can grab yours. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more car tech reviews, and drop a comment if you'd install this in your truck. Thanks for watching.